All right, folks. Well, there it is, all nice and muddy. And let's go around here and see what we did here. Five 0.4 hours. So I ran our 5.5 hours, just about. Let's see, pros. It does digs very well. The thumb works very well. It gets around in wet conditions. I had it in, basically what I did over the weekend was put in a drainage tile through a swampy area. So it got around good in the swampy area. The push blade does excellent. The machine's got enough power to push mounds of dirt that are high enough to roll over the top. Probably my only complaint is counterweight. There's no counterweight at all back here. So basically you use the weight of the machine to pick up stuff. If you pick up something really heavy or you run into some roots, I was cutting through roots big as a baseball bat, and it would tip the machine forward, but then the weight of the machine would fall back down and break through the roots. So I'm going to try to figure out some way to put a counterweight back here. Other than that, I ran at that 5.4 hours pretty much nonstop. No overheating no overheating issues. I did find out there's no horn, and I am not sure what this red button actually does. This red button here, when you push it, it switches this control to turning the boom, but I have not found out what that does, if anything. Also down here on the floor, this pedal here runs the thumb. This pedal here runs nothing. So I did not get a owner's manual or anything with this machine, so I have no instructions on what that red button does, if it does do anything. So all in all, I'm impressed. I'm impressed for the digging power. I'm impressed for it crawling across swampy, muddy area and not getting stuck. Like I said, I think my only complaint is it does not have any counterweight back there. If it had counterweight back there, this would be a digging machine. So it does pretty well for the size it is, but a counterweight would do it a lot better. So that's all I got for you, folks. Again, AGT Industrial DM12X-C. It's a 2024 model. At this point, I highly recommend it. So thank you very much. I appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, comment down below, and we will see you on the next one.